Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to put the lens cover on DJI Osmo 360. In the box you get this lens cover, and it should be put on whenever you stop recording to not damage the lens. The lenses are on both sides, so it's pretty easy to damage them, and then the image may get blurry. So in order to protect them, simply get this lens cover from your box. You can gently open it like that, then put the device in it, just like that, until it's fully on. And now it is fully on, so the lenses are protected. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.